Now we'll create our related posts section, which is a list group with different kinds of content inside each of the list group items. We start with creating the heading, and we'll use the H2 heading element again, and we give it the text related posts. Then we create the list group, and we start with a div element with the class list group to wrap all of the list group items inside. We want to make these list group items function as anchor tags, so we create the anchor tags like so and give it the classes list group item and list group item action. Now we create the content that we want to appear inside our list group item. First, we want to create the category, which is a badge. So we create this div tag with the classes badge and badge primary. And then we give it the text category and close the div tag again. We'll now create the heading of the blog post using an H5 heading element and the text blog post title. Now we'll create the author name inside a paragraph. So first the author name and then the date and time in brackets. Once again, we'll use the time element with the date time attribute and the value being 2017-03-12, which is 12th of March 2017, and then the T10:24 for the time 10:24 AM. Now we'll write out the date like so. And we'll close our time element. Now we want to create two more batches to show the number of likes and comments that this posts have received. So we start with the div tag to wrap both of these batches inside. Then first we create a span tag with the classes batch and batch primary. Inside this, we'll write the text 13 likes. And now we'll create one more batch with the span tag and the classes batch primary and the text 3 comments, and we'll close the span tag again. Finally, we'll create a short excerpt from the blog post content. So it's simply a paragraph tag with some random text like this. Now we can go ahead and duplicate this list group item. So I'll just duplicate it 4 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have 5 list group items in this list group. Let's have a look in the browser. We now see that we have our related posts down here. If we resize the browser window, it looks more like the final. So we will adjust these later on with responsive adjustments and different kinds of utilities.